Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to design flyers using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open Canva, then go to the print products section, and here you will see these different parts: marketing, gifts, stationery, clothing, or cards. Now go to marketing, and in the marketing section you will see the second option is going to be the flyer option. Now if you tap on it, it's going to create for you a specific editing file which has the exact size and ratio that you would need for a flyer. Now here you can either go and upload your photos, or you can add photos from the free Canva library, which has amazing photos that you can use for free. You can add text elements and any different design elements, or you can just go to the templates section, and here you can use for free these beautiful templates that are made by professional designers just for you to create amazing flyers for your business or any event that you would need. As you can see, there are different categories and you can find the one that you are interested in. There are advertising, birthday flyers, for restaurants, and as you can see, they are pretty beautifully designed. And when you choose the template like this, you can go and customize it. As you can see, you can move around any elements that are included. You can type in the name of your restaurant or any business that you have. You can change the phone number, you can add your own logo or anything. If you are looking for a specific industry, you can go to the search bar and look up the different industries that are included, because there are thousands of different templates that you can use. So I'm sure everyone can find the one that they are interested in. They have real estate flyers. You can create flyers like this and then just change the details, the sale price, your contacts and everything. The photo even, you can just grab it and take it out and then choose another photo like this. So it's really that easy to do. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, because that would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.